All the creators around me are making lakhs of rupees. I wish I started earlier to give me the freedom and a sense of doing what I want to do. If this is what you are thinking, then this is what I would do if I had to start from zero on Instagram. I've been building 2 Instagram pages from the past 7 years, and these are the things which I would recommend you if you want to start right now in 2024. There are 10 practical tips which you can follow today, right now. And please make sure to follow everything step by step. Do not miss any single point. Everyone talks about having a niche, what is important, but it's truly, truly important. Instead of going ahead and picking fashion, beauty, skincare, travel, I'm going to go ahead and pick a sub niche. What is a sub niche? Within travel, okay, I'm a solo traveler, so I'm going to just talk about solo traveling. I love skincare, but I'm just going to talk about Korean skincare. I love makeup, but I'm just going to talk about minimal makeup. I am into fitness, but I am just going to talk about weight training. You see, you're not just a part of a big community, you're niching yourself in, and that is how you stand out. Remember, sub niche is something which a lot of people are doing right now, and that's how they are growing on Instagram. Before even picking a sub niche, you need to ask yourself, what is the one thing I really enjoy talking about? And secondly, is what can I talk about 24/7 which can help you to decide your sub niche. Second step which you have to do is not monetize your page from the start. I've seen a lot of people making the same mistake where your focus will just go on making money and not building a community of followers, which is actually important to make a lot more money in the start. Thirdly, focus on giving value first. And what I mean by just, oh my god, just give value, no, not like that. You are going to create list based reels on your Instagram of your sub niche. What are list based reels? Three things you need to know about X, three hidden facts about X, three things which I wish I knew earlier about X. X is basically your niche. In the start, no one is going to care about who you are, what is your life like, until and unless you're like super rich or something mysterious or crazy things are happening to you. So you need to make sure to use an examples from your niche, provide them value so that they build a connection with you and then they care about your personal life. Once you have started getting an idea of creating value based reels, you are going to do this. You have to create a content calendar and content bank. Don't immediately start posting your videos. First, create a content calendar. Okay, I am going to post 3 times or 5 times a week, depending on the number which is comfortable with you to post every single week. Figure that number out for yourself. For me, I would say I would post 5 times a week. Those will be Monday to Friday. Now, on those 5 days, I'm going to be creating a content bank. I'm physically going to create a calendar in my Notion or in a diary and write down which are the videos I'm going to post on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. This is going to give me a short clarity on, okay, these are the videos which are going up this week, and this is what I have to film and post and edit right now. Once I have a content bank of, let's just say, 10 videos ready to post, I am ahead of the game and I'm not slacking off. Let's just say if you create a reel, you post it today. Tomorrow you don't feel like creating the reel. And then this way you are inconsistent for like 1 week, which is really not that good and recommended, especially if you want to start your journey as a content creator. So do not start until and unless you feel like, okay, I am going to be posting consistently for the next few months. And because of that, if you feel like you may slack off, create a content bank in advance. Content bank is basically having a bank of videos ready to keep on posting in the near future. The next thing which I will also do is focusing on 80% value and 20% entertainment. What does this mean? 80% of my reels, whichever I'll be posting, will give value about my niche. It will be a talking videos, list-based videos, it can be tutorials. And 20% will be relatable. It can be about a trend, it can be a lip sync, or it can be just something relatable, funny meme, which I would like to share within my niche. The fifth thing I'll do is I'll stop the chase of followers or numbers for the first 6 months. Trust me, you're not going to see a huge change in the number of your followers in the first 6 months. So you have to put your head down and just start posting, because after a certain while this will change. Sixth thing, I'll repurpose my reels. Whatever reels I'm posting right now, I'll post the same to YouTube Shorts and Pinterest, because trust me, a lot less people are doing that, and who knows, you might gain more followers and subscribers on Pinterest and YouTube than Instagram, and that is what has happened to me as well. Seventh point, after crossing 1000 followers, I'll create a affiliate marketing setup. So usually brands who have their affiliate marketing websites such as Wishlink, Hype, Amazon and all of those require you to cross a certain amount of followers to get approved by their affiliate program. So I'll go ahead and I'll immediately open a Amazon or a Wishlink affiliate program, especially if I'm in the entertainment, beauty, fashion, travel niche. And once that is created, I'll start posting a little bit about my affiliate content within my reels. Eighth point, I'll create a newsletter or a WhatsApp community, especially if your goal is to start selling services as a content creator on Instagram. Then definitely creating a newsletter is really, really important if you want to sell your coaches, your webinars, your one-on-one consultations, all of that. And if you are a content creator, you can start your own WhatsApp community just to stay in touch with your audience and give them updates about your life and even your latest YouTube videos in general. Ninth point, playing around with different content styles. What used to perform well 6 months ago may not perform well that right now. Right now, a lot of green screen videos, iPad videos are performing really, really well. So it is your job to go ahead and experiment with different styles of edits, even different audios which are working well, different kinds of tutorials which are working well, and implement those so that you are staying on top of the game. And lastly, do not be afraid to share your personal opinion. Just because you are in a niche of certain people doesn't mean your opinion has to be the same. If you have a different opinion about something or about some product or thing which is happening in your industry, feel free to share it, because that what is happening is that you are sharing your own perspective, and people will feel like, okay, this is a controversial opinion. Some people may even like it. So remember, any publicity is good publicity. Feel free to be your authentic self. People remember personal brands because of the people who share their own authentic opinions without having a filter. Click the first link in the description if you're interested to know more about how you can grow your Instagram using Reels and how you can implement the 80-20 strategy to grow on Instagram, and like how I did. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.